times I question certain circumstances of things I could not understand. When times of trials, weakness brought provision, and my frustration gets all out of hand. It's still a reminder I'll never be forsaken, or living hard to stand test alone. As I look at all my victories, as the Spirit rises up in me, cruise through the fire, my weakness makes you wrong. He never promised that the cross will not get heavy, that it will not be hard. He never promised. I wish he made up for anything. That's always have his time. Never when you're standing, it's a valley of decision. When the adversary says, give in, so just hold on. My Lord, show us what we will take you through the fire again. I know within myself that I shouldn't go.